Hi Kamlesh, welcome to this interview feedback session. How are you doing today?
I'm fine, sir. How are you?
I'm doing good, thank you. So for the viewers who are watching this video, Mr. Kamlesh has a couple of years of experience into the IT domain, and recently he got an opportunity with Hitachi as a network security engineer. So today in this session, we are going to discuss about his training experience with I-MEDITA, how was his overall training experience, how he managed his entire learning schedule, what kind of interviews he has given. We will also discuss about his interview experiences. So, hi Kamlesh, welcome again, and let's get started.
Thank you, sir.
So, could you please tell us a little bit about yourself, your background into the IT industry?
Okay, so I have done computer engineering from Dr. D.Y. Patil Institute of Technology from Pune, and I belong to Pune. After that, I got into the MNC emphasis. From there, I started my journey into the IT career. And after 2 years of experience, I wanted to pursue more about this cyber security journey. I want to learn more about this. So I found out this class like I-MEDITA, which we were in. So there I took a training of like network security, firewall, ethical hacking. These all technology which were necessary for the cybersecurity path. So you were the man who suggest me this path and everything, how to take a route because I was like a blank at that time. So thank you for that thing. And after that, trying giving many interviews, I placed into this recent company.
Okay. And overall, how many interviews you have given?
Almost I gave like 10 to 11 interviews I gave.
Okay.
Some were positive, some were negative.
Hmm.
So it was based on that.
Okay. How was your experience during these interviews? What kind of questions did the interviewers ask? Were they more scenario based, conceptual based, or mix of concept scenarios?
So basically, depends on the like job description. So most of the companies were asking for net. Like I like my background was network security, so they were expecting from me for that network also and network security also. So in network security there was firewall also. So most of the thing was like mixed type questions. Some were networking and other was like scenario based. Scenario based were mostly based for security questions.
Okay. Okay. And how did you prepare for these interviews? Did you took any specific material to prepare for the interviews or the note study material which you have followed and prepared during the live classes training program? That material helped you prepare for the interview. So what was your approach to prepare for these interviews?
So basically, the notes which was provided by I-MEDITA classes. So that was the exact note which we can explain there. So most of the time, I don't have to go and find on internet or chat GPT. It was provided to me by the class or teachers notes, and it was the thing which I can explain easy form. So basically the main I used to prepare in the way like I used to read the GD and then I used to see which questions are mostly commonly asked in that. So we also got some handout notes which were very helpful in that. So I sorted out this all and made one PDF on things like which I don't know or I'm not getting. I used to ask to you and to other sir also. So they used to help me in that.
Okay. And if we compare the current opportunity which you have got with this Hitachi, uh, and if we compare the previous company, what kind of growth you have got there? I'm not expecting you to disclose your CTC. What kind of percentage growth you have got as compared to last company?
So, comparing to last company, I have got almost like I can say the range like 40 to 50%. I have got a hike there.
Okay, great. And how was your overall experience during the training program? And I would also like to ask you what course you enrolled here with I-MEDITA.
So, there were a few courses, but for my journey, I took like multi-track with cyber security course. In that, it is like CCNA, CCNP, network security. I also have firewall and after that, I took like CH, which was very necessary for me. I think when I used to look into JD, there was like CH. But for me, the path I took, it was already included CH program. So I don't have to like add extra things into that. And the training wise, everything was good. Surendra sir took like CCNA, then Vikas sir CCNP. Baldev sir took Firewall Palo Alto, which was very great interacting section also. And then network security was also taken by them. And at last, the CEH was taken by Yuvraj sir. That was also a great problem solving session.
So you have completed your entire course, or some of the modules are still pending?
Only one module is still pending that I will complete when I get time, like on weekends or something.
Okay. And you also attended the PD session and interview preparation classes by Mrs. Shweta?
Only few of them I like attended, but I think it was not much needed for me for grooming myself,
Right.
as my communication was little good in that.
Okay. Okay. So during this program, how did you manage your entire learning schedule, job schedule? Because it requires a lot of time as a working professional to invest in the learning and do jobs as well. So how did you manage your schedule? And on a daily basis, how much time you were spending with the self-learning and classes?
So basically, the classes were online and even offline. So like when the classes were in the evening, so I can manage for evening class. So I used to go in the evening, and like classes is 24/7 open only, so there
Okay.
was no issue going at any time. So I used to go in the evening, and when I don't have the time, then I was trying to do that on online session also. So that was a very good thing for this class. They are providing online session, offline session, and also recorded session. So it's very good to manage. Like whenever we have a time, we can see the videos.
And on
Also,
daily,
notes were provided.
okay,
Yeah, also notes were provided. So it was very easy to understand. Like whatever they teach, it was the same thing which notes were provided.
okay. And how much time you were spending on daily basis with the classes, lab practice, self-study?
Okay, so basically, I used to have two classes most of the time. It was like sometime it was 4 hours or 3 hours. If there is one lecture, like network security is for 1 hour, so 1 hour for that and 2 hours for the other session. So 3 hours I used to do online classes, and after that, uh, for when the time came for preparation of interview and that thing, I took all the time into that so I can prepare well. Most of the thing I collected all the questions, answer, and merged them into the one PDF, and then I started revising that thing which were taught. Also, I did hands-on practices in class. Most of the time, I used to go in the class and do it by myself. Uh,
Great.
that's all.
Great. And what made you decide to enroll with I-MEDITA? There are many training providers offering similar kind of courses. There are many freelancers offering one-on-one kind of freelancing training. What motivated you and what made you decide to enroll with I-MEDITA only?
Actually, I was searching for many class, but when I went there, most of the class were online, not offering that offline feature. So, most of the main motive I used to have like I want like offline sessions so I can interact with them and talk to them in direct. So here I came, I did the demo sessions first. So to be sure, also my friend has also done there in IME data. So most of the thing was like I had a trust there most ofly. I also even talked to some of the fellow members who were in I-MEDITA. So it was a great review from them also. So I chose I-MEDITA.
And before we take any kind of services, before we enroll in any kind of courses like you did, you enroll for demo so that you are completely satisfied that what we are offering. So when you were in that stage wherein you were planning to decide to go with I-MEDITA and checking out all the things, and now when you have completed 95% of the course, also got an opportunity with the company. So were we able to meet those expectations before enrolling, and now when you have completed those classes?
In the starting, I was uh, having much time for like the course was like 8 to 9 months long. So in the starting I was like, let's finish the courses first. I After finishing the network part, I started connecting to you, a placement team, management team. So what should be my next step? Should I prepare for interview from now, or should I also wait to end the full courses? So it takes patience in this like whole journey to get placed. So I think for study wise, there is no problem. You will never have any problem. You will get every answer, lectures. If you have anything, you can directly talk to the management. They will solve it. Like there is no issue. Journey was great. Just have some patience, and we can get into where we want to.
And did you got all the required study material, lab access, workbooks, and all the necessary other study material from our end?
Yes, yes, that was very helpful. I got notes. Whichever topic we have, topic or courses, there are separate notes for that, lab book, handout. So that is a great helpful thing.
Okay. So based on your experience, if we ask you this question, how would you rate our training and services on a scale of 10? So what kind of score you would give to us?
I will give like 10 or 10.
Okay. And we need some suggestion feedback from your side as well so that we can improve our services and training in future. So any suggestion from your side?
See, right now I don't have any suggestion for you. Everything is like we didn't expect it. We got there like notes and like many of the sessions which were not even asked by us. So I think no need to change anything. I think that's better.
Okay. And last question, based on because now you have undertaken courses, you have worked previously with the company, got a new opportunity. What advice would you give to somebody who is planning to kickstart their career in this domain? What should their approach? Should because there are many questions we get from participant. Many times they focus more on certification. That okay, I'll get this certified, I'll get this certified. Okay, very less they focus on building knowledge, building hands-on knowledge. So how should they balance? First, should they start with basics, learn advanced level of knowledge, and go for certification when it is required? Or what do you suggest, like based on your experience, the interview
So
you have given?
base yeah. So based on my experience, I have seen like in the starting you don't need certification. If you are a very fresher, you don't need certification unless you see all opportunities asking for certification. Everyone wants certification. Then you it's okay to do. But I think there are the teachers you can like you are there. You we can talk to you and you give the suggestion what it's in the current market it's working like if I also had that same situation with me, like should I do the certification or not? So in the starting, you told me like you don't need to do any certification, and so I did one certification which was very necessary for my cyber security. I think I used to go through the JD. Most of the time, we used to go through JD, and most of the place I used to see CEH, CEH. So also I was having experience in this IT field. So uh, I thought of doing this, and that was really helpful for me at the end. Not in the starting. I didn't did this in starting. I built my foundation, started networking, understood that thing, and then I decided to do based on suggestions. Many suggestions. I took many suggestions for that, and then after seeing many JDs, they require that certification. Then only I did that certification.
So in a nutshell, you mean to say first candidate should focus on the skill set and along with
Yes.
that, practical knowledge. And whenever certifications are required, that time they should go for certifications.
Yeah. Right. Right.
Thank you, Kamlesh. Thank you for giving us your valuable time. We wish you all the very best. And first,
Thank you.
congratulations once again for getting a new opportunity with this Hitachi company. We wish you all the very best again. Keep learning, keep
Thank
in
you,
touch.
sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Thank
sir. You have helped me a lot, sir.
Thank you. It's all your efforts. It's all your efforts. We are
Yeah.
just like a catalyst. We help you with the opportunities. We help you with the environment, classes. It depends on candidate, their hard work. It's all your hard work. It's all your dedication.
Yeah, but I have also seen like most of the time I have called you in urgent time, in any time you were like available. I used to ask you many things like some problems were going on, like if I have any, I need any notes, I need any suggestion. I used to call you, and you were always available for me, and that was like very much thankful for that.
Thank you. We are always there to assist you. Feel free to reach out us in future as well. Okay. All the best,
Yes,
Kamlesh.
sir. Thank you, sir.